Alright guys, I'm finna clean as you see the issue I was having in my previous video. I was having issue with the noise with the blower motor and it not working on the second speed, but it worked on the first, third, and fourth, and it was sounding, making a funny noise that sometimes it stopped. I said before I do the heater control unit and the blower motor resistor replaced first, I was gonna try to clean it or take it apart and see what's going on. Maybe I can fix it that way before I start throwing parts at it, you know. So okay, I'm gonna take it down. You want to let the glove box down and push these two tabs in. Take that down, and then the blower motor, I don't know if you can see it, it got like two little plastic release tabs up here and then the bottom, and then it got two wires right here. You can see the other wire. I think one is purple and one is black, if I'm not mistaken. You pull those, take a screwdriver or something, pull those. Got a little clip on it. You want to pull those out and then pull the cover off, and you should be able to get to the blower motor. But right now, I'm gonna set this camera down so I can be able to put the screwdriver in there, pop it back, and then I'll turn it back on. All right, guys, I got the, as you can see, I got the two plugs disconnected. The purple one was on the left side, where you see that orange at. Then the black one's on the right side at the top. I'm gonna take this blower motor off and see what's going on to it. Maybe the vent's clogged or something in it to make it do that. Maybe I could oil it or something to grease it, I don't know. But let me take it off. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There go another one at the top. I didn't see that. 5 little bolts. I don't know what size they is. Looks smaller than 7 millimeter. Maybe it's a 5.5 or 7/32. Let me go in there and check and get something that'll fit this, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, I took the blower motor down and I plugged this the two wires back up to show you guys what it's doing. And though these little bolts, they was 9/32, yeah, which is a 7 millimeter. I thought they was 5.5, but they was bigger. They was 7 millimeters, yeah, which is a 9/32. Yeah, let me show you what it's doing. Put the key in. Let me show you how the noise and stuff it was making, what it was doing. Turn it on. Yeah. It's like the bearings or something that going, so I know it's the let me turn it up. So I'm gonna either replace it. I mean, it works on low, third, and high. It just don't work on 2. So I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and replace the blower motor resistor too. But I know the noise part, I get this taken care of. So I'm gonna see. Well, I know I probably can't grease this or oil this up. Probably just end up having to get another one, but we'll see. Probably just end up replacing it. But yeah, that was the problem. The blower motor was making that noise. I mean, that's more disturbing than me working it. It's not working on number 2. No, I'd rather just turn it on 1, 3, and high instead of trying to turn it on and it's making that weird noise. And it's loud too. So yeah, yep, that was the problem with this. Now I just gotta find the problem for it's not working on 2. That's either gonna be the resistor or the heater control unit itself. Like I said, though, it could possibly be that this blower motor, I mean, the bearing bed could be, it's going out. It won't work on too, but I don't believe that, though. Well, I will check this out and let you guys know, keep you guys posted and updated on what I do with this here. Yeah, if I could just oil this or something, just get it to stop making that noise, I'll be just fine. I can deal with the it working on just 1, 3 and high and not 2. But I know eventually I might have to replace it, but I keep this in storage anyway during the winter. I'm not too much worried about this. So yeah, I keep you guys updated and let you know later. What's going on, guys? I was trying to save some money, you know, because I ain't got nothing to lose. Worst case scenario, if I take it apart and it ain't no good, I can just order another one. But they like $50, 50 or $60 online, brand new, and at the auto part store is about the same for the blower motor. I can go to this is the original one off there. I looked at the date, the manufacturer date. It said 96, 108, 96, something like that. So, if I go to the junkyard get one, I'll probably get one for 15, $20. But you know, if it's the original one on there, it's just as bad as this one. So what I did, I took it loose. I sprayed it down with this because you know it's making that warp noise. It's like a duck. So I got some of this, opened it up, sprayed it down, cleaned all the contacts, and where the motor spin at across this part right here, I was gonna after I clean it down with the oil and stuff real good, wipe it out with the towel. I'm gonna put some grease right up on there where it's spin to make contact at, and then hopefully that'll stop the noise. And then we'll see what we got once that put back in there, and see if it'll start back working correctly. If it just spinning and the noise stop, then I'll just check the I'll just change the blower motor resistor. As long as I get this noise to stop, this is annoying. I mean, it sounds bad. It sounds like a rat attacking a duck, and they both squealing. That's what it sounds like. So let me clean this up, get it greased, then I'll put it back together, and I'll see what we get. All right. Okay, guys, this is the grease I'm gonna be using. It's automotive and industrial grease. It said non-disc brake wheel bearings, drums, chassis, and suspension. I feel it could be good enough for this. I know it's gonna generate heat when it spins, but I'm just gonna put a little light coating on there. I mean, it never hurts to try stuff, you know. You don't know if you don't try. It said lubricate protections up to 275 degrees. So I figured that should be perfect for this. So let me hit this little where it spin at. I'm gonna hit these little sides with some grease and little contact points where it spin, and hopefully that'll stop all that bearing noise. All right, let me get to it. Okay, guys, now I just put it back in here. And for you, all you guys that had them like noisy blower motors and making that noise, maybe this will work for you, maybe it won't, but it's worth giving it a shot. It's real easy to do and real simple. And you know, I got this problem taken care of, and for right now, I'm happy with it because you know I can worry about second speed not working, 1, 3, and 4 working. I'm gonna change the blower resistor motor and a future video so y'all guys can be able to check that out. But for right now, I fixed my noisy blower motor. Let me turn it on for you guys and show you. Yeah. No more noisy blower motor. Let me turn this off. Okay, no more noisy blower motor. I got that taken care of, and now just gotta let me see. And it's funny, guys, because now all the settings working now. all because of grease. So I don't have to change the blower motor resistor. It was crazy because I guess it was getting caught up on a second speed, the motor, maybe because it was need to be greased or what, but now it's greased and spinning freely. Now it's working on all settings. I just turned on all settings. Yeah, it's working on all settings now. That's funny. But I'm still probably gonna change that the blower motor, the blower resistor motor. I mean the blower motor resistor. I'm probably gonna change that anyway because I'm pretty sure it's original, and at some point I'm gonna have to change it. So I might as well change it now. Well, I got this blower motor working pretty good. So I'm just gonna probably pick that up at the power store and change that, and I'll do that in a future video. But for right now, I'm done with this video. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.